So yun guys, ito yung bago kong tinuturuan, yung bago kong staff na kailangan pukusan kasi talagang zero knowledge siya para sa kitchen. Kailangan ko siyang pukusan ng turuan. Yala, where are they using this one? What's its name? Special sauce. Okay. Which item they use this one? Okay. And what else? Kakao club. Are you sure this one is used in the club? Where? See, there is using also in the crispy chicken burger. Okay, it's two items they're using this sauce. Okay, remember what sauce? Special sauce. How many items they're using? 3 items. How come 3? Which one? Tell me. Huh? Tell me. Huh? Grilled corn also? See, just now I told you. This is 2 items only they're using. Which one? Okay. What? Chicken slider and crispy chicken burger. Okay, I repeat to you. What name sauces? What name is the sauce?
Special sauce.
Special sauce. What are they using?
Chicken slider and crispy.
Crispy what?
Crispy.
Huh? Crispy chicken burger. See, just now I told you, then you will always forget. My God. Mukhang madali ako tatanda ito guys. Very good.